Working on flexibility, I'm going to show you one technique that'll help you stay in stretches longer and get more range of motion. I'm Mitch from Upright Health, where we help you think right, move right, and feel right. Be sure to check the description box below for helpful links. I've never been a very flexible person. I came into flexibility training later in my life as a result of pain. In order to solve my pain, I knew I had to train flexibility. Training range of motion for me meant going into positions that were very intense and highly uncomfortable. So I needed a strategy to overcome this feeling. Training flexibility can be very intense and uncomfortable, and it can make us not want to do it. So this is where the breathing strategy that I've used for myself comes into play, and that I'm going to show you today. So to teach you this breathing strategy, I'm going to hop into an uncomfortable position for myself, which is me just sitting on my feet here. What we're going to do with this strategy is first, just get control of the breath. Oftentimes when we get into an uncomfortable position, our body wants to freak out and start breathing really fast or sporadically. This is just the way that our body handles it. And what we want to do is we want to gain control over our breathing. Once we have control, we can start to initiate the technique, which is to extend the exhales longer and longer as you go. We're not going to worry too much about the inhales on this. You're just going to worry about, with each breath, seeing if you can exhale longer. Your body will automatically inhale, and then you can control the exhale. Ideally, we're going to try to breathe in and out through our nose. You might start with the mouth, but the ultimate goal is to close the mouth and bring the inhale and the exhale through the nose. So the reason that we want to control and slow our breathing down is that we need to show our body that we can be in this position, and that even though it's uncomfortable, that we're going to breathe into it and stay in the position. So why do we do this? We do this to gain control of a very uncomfortable position. When your body just wants to freak out, obviously you're just going to want to jump out of the position. But if you can gain control of the breath, then you can calm yourself and allow yourself to stay in the stretch longer, and in turn go a little bit deeper into the stretch. So if you're experiencing high levels of discomfort when you stretch, try this breathing technique out and be patient with it. It'll take some time. If you like this video, make sure to check the description box below for some more helpful links. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and share it with a friend. And remember, pain sucks, life shouldn't. I was gonna say mobility. I know. This is an uncomfortable position for me.